Hello. Can't stop, won't stop civics. Miss Morgan, 8th grade civics teacher. So here's how you're going to do this timeline. All right, there's 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3. You kind of get caught off. Oh, well, you can figure it out. Okay, so see, parts of the timeline are blank. You're going to fill in the missing information. Here's how you do it. You look at this copy. You're going to have a double-sided copy of these event cards, right? No, apparently this is difficult. All right, so see how we have right here, April blank. All right, April 5, comma. So you're going to look at the event cards and you're going to look for something that says April 5 or 5th, obviously. Okay, I do not see April 5th on side A. So you're going to flip it over to side B. Let me see April 5th. Sugar Act, there it is. Okay, so you found April 5th, 1764. You're going to write in the 1764. You're going to write Sugar Act, and then you're going to write the missing info on the lines. You can do it. All right, then you're going to go to another box that's blank, May 15th. All right, let's look at the event cards and find May 15th. Is it on this one? Nope, not side B. Yours is going to be double-sided, by the way. Is it on this one? If it's not on side B, it's going to be on side A. All right, where is it? May 15th, 1765 Quartering Act. It doesn't have to do with quarters, the money. All right, so then you read this and you fill in the missing info on your timeline sheet. And then you're going to cut it. That's coming next. Time for cutting and taping. Page 1. Nothing to cut. Page 2. See this here? Scissors, dotted line. You're going to cut. Page 3, scissors, dotted line, cut. I forgot to mention this cut. Very important on page 3 and page 2. See, I almost missed it. See, you're going to do some cutting right there. Now, this might be a challenge, but I know you can do it. I wouldn't ask you to do something I didn't think you could do. All right, so see, we got this and we got page 2. We are going to kind of fit it in like a puzzle. Oh, there it is. Ta-da. And then I'm going to tape it. See, I taped it. Page 3, I cut a little tab. I am going to fit it in again. I did it. Now I'm going to tape it. Timeline all together. You got this. Bye.